As a beginner baker, isa sa nakakalitong bilhin ay ang chocolate. May mura, may mahal, may napakamahal. Ano bang diferensya? Basically, may dalawang klase ng chocolate sa market, yung real chocolate at yung compound chocolate. Real chocolate is made with cocoa mass and cocoa butter na galing sa paggiling ng cocoa beans, while ang compound chocolate naman ay gawa sa cocoa powder and vegetable oil. Pagdating sa lasa, mas deep ang chocolate flavor ng real chocolate habang mas matamis naman ang lasa ng compound chocolate. Pagdating sa texture, mas smooth and melty ang real chocolate while yung compound chocolate is a little chalky and more stable. Tapos, within the category of real and compound chocolate, may varying qualities. Like for example, under sa real chocolates may tinatawag na couverture. Ito ay chocolate na may mas mataas na cocoa butter content and is more expensive. So, ano ba dapat gamitin for making chocolate chip cookies? Nasa sa inyo po, depende sa preference or needs ninyo. If this has been helpful, please follow for more.